Okay, here we are at Walt Disney World, and throughout all of the parks and some of the resorts, there are these portable fuel rod stations. And what you do is you buy one of these for $30, and this is the fuel rod like this. It comes with the different chargers like USB-C, micro USB, and then a lightning port. So it's very versatile to whatever phone that you need to hook up to or whatever device that you need to do. And you plug this in here, and then you can charge up your phone. But what's great about these things that makes it different than any of the other chargers is, say it's dead, you can take and put it right in here and swap it for a brand new one, or for probably a refurbished one, and have a freshly charged fuel rod. So you can just keep swapping them out. You don't have to worry about recharging your fuel rod while you're here at the park. So for $30, they have these here at Disney, but you can go on Amazon and probably get them a little bit cheaper. So I'll put a link in the description below of where you can find these on Amazon, just a little bit cheaper. But right here at the Walt Disney World, they have these portable chargers called fuel rods.